Find or read reviews that people are talking about SAZDOLN OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that latest enhanced OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool. Quickly help you identify the reason of MIL light on. Up to 12 functions, read/clear fault codes, real-time data flow, freeze frames, smog detection, turn off the check engine light, MIL, Mode 6, Mode 8, vehicle information, fuel testing, data monitoring, data playback, DTC query, 40,000 plus, and battery voltage test. One-click smog detection and powerful data flow. S510 OBD2 code reader is equipped with a one-click I/M reading button, easier to understand the vehicle's emission status and maintain the engine in good condition. The data stream can be read including engine speed, vehicle speed, coolant temperature, fuel analysis, throttle position, O2 sensor, air pressure, and more. And can be recorded and saved as a line graph display. Help you quickly understand your car. 40,000 plus fault code library and printing function. SAZDOLN Car OBD2 scanner is equipped with a built-in 40,000 plus fault code library. You can view the fault code definition through the scanner instead of searching online. Wide compatibility. SAZDOLN S510 automatic scanner supports most cars after 1996, in the United States, 2002, in the European Union, and 2008, in Asia. Compatible with J1850, PWM, VPW, ISO 9141-2, ISO 14230-4, KWP, KWP, 5 BPS, ISO 15765-4, CAN, CANB, C&D, all OBD2 standard protocols. Not compatible with new energy vehicles, hybrid vehicles, and models that do not comply with OBD2 protocol, non-16-pin interface. Advanced design. Equipped with a TPU soft rubber shell, it provides anti-drop protection and comes with a portable suitcase, 2.8-inch color screen display, read easier and not harm the eyes. Plug and play, powered by car battery, safer and more portable, lifetime free updates. Even if you purchase a new car, you don't have to worry about outdated software. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.